Let's go together. I'm heading to the library to read the books that I borrowed the other day. I don't want to waste my life in general, do you? But lately I'm kind of felt like I'm losing myself. Still, I believe that whatever is happening to me right now is happening for a reason. So this day I've been trying to read, look into myself, and understand why I feel this way. I've been reading the news and I've read around 8 books this semester because I want to become more introspective person. Hi guys, I'm heading to the gym. Let's go crazy! And since I'm feeling a bit unstable these days, I'm trying to get comfortable just being myself. So I'm putting in small efforts every single day. I want every day to matter.
I really need to work out, but I'm so lazy. I don't know why. Gosh. 10 p.m.-ish, I guess. Well, I don't even check the time, but okay. I just finished my leg stretching, but I don't have any energy to work out. I'm just gonna straight cardio.
I have to value my core value and priorities. The truth is, if I don't know where I'm going, I'll end up somewhere. Well, just not where I really want to be. But here's the thing, even if the plan isn't clear, taking action is what turns clarity into something meaningful. For example, I've been trying to grow as a person, reading books, following the news, reflecting on myself. The funny thing is, I used to really hate reading. Like I said earlier, I read 8 books during the second half semester. I'm still not perfect, but now I actually want to grow into someone who enjoys reading and gets good at it.
책을 골라볼 겁니다. 지금 이거 읽어놓고 고민 중이에요. 뻥이에요. 제가 제출한 도서를 보여드릴게요. 지금 여기까지 남아서 한 번 더 밀렸어요. 죄송합니다. 다음 사람에게.
I also realized that being honest with myself about what I want, what I value, and even my insecurity is so important. And honestly, thinking about these things makes me want to be a person who contributes, even in small ways. So I'm heading to another building because I need to submit the register. I'm trying to get comfortable being by myself. Being alone doesn't mean being lonely. These days people resist being alone. They'd rather go out with someone they barely know. Maybe because they don't just want to seem lonely or inadequate. Guy, I'm clocked out. Oh my god, my voice. So weird. Okay, now I'm gonna hit the gym. Because I have to. Oh my god, freaking cold today. I'm gonna show the light of the roses. It's so beautiful. Hold on. Look at the roses. But honestly, spending time alone is absolutely crucial. Learning how to use it wisely is even more important. A lot of people waste time on social media or watching things they don't enjoy. For me, what helps is going to a park or nature by myself. 안녕, 헬스장 가는 길. Just observing the moment. I also use this time for my hobbies, especially languages.
Lucky girl. Guys, my trainer just gave it to me. I'm lucky girl. I'm so excited.
When I'm alone, I can spend as much time as I want learning. I can literally spend the whole day learning new languages. One of the things I've been able to thanks to this a long time is start my YouTube channel. I study how to film, how to talk on camera, how to edit, everything. Try things out, fix things, improving little by little. All of this I learned when I was by myself. And you know, if you live like this, trying, learning, reflecting, opportunities will eventually come. Guys, I just made it to school. Yeah, it's Friday. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Anyway, I have a plan today. My department is having a gathering, so I'm kind of excited. That's why I kind of dressed up like this. I'm going for Twitter look. I can show you guys. Okay. Anyway, we're going out for steak. Some professors, students, and even alumni will be there. I'm kind of nervous and excited at the same time. Yeah, I hope to get to meet great people today. I already know they're great, but if you know, the more the merrier. Okay, I gotta go. Hey guys, it's almost lunchtime, so I'm gonna have this leftover because I don't want to waste the food. Okay. Since nobody's here, so I'm gonna have this leftover here while watching YouTube or something. I don't know. I got him a ricotta cheese. It was great. And for the dessert, I'm gonna have chocolate protein drinks that my trainer gave me. Have a great lunch. And I have an iPad here. I just had to pee. Nobody's here. I'm so tipsy right now. Look at my face. It's kind of lag. And I won AirPods 4th generation for free through a quiz and a raffle. Of course, luck played a part, but it felt like a small reward from the universe for working hard right now. Honestly, I've been feeling burnout since the result of my effort aren't visible yet. It also felt good, and since my AirPods 2nd generation still work fine, I gave the new ones to my brother who didn't have any. Anyway, someday I'll become the kind of person I aspire to be, right? So yeah, let's keep trying, keep learning, and live every day fully.